This is Vaibhav Marwade. I am from Nagpur.
I am
I
Yash.
have recently completed a 4-month data analyst internship.
I had joined Abhyaz as a software developer intern.
During this journey, I had an opportunity to work on data cleaning, mining, deduplication using the Zoho tools like Zoho CRM, Recruit, Desk, and Survey.
I worked on the various projects. Firstly, I worked on file management system, and secondly, I worked on the Odoo
My
software.
key contribution was designing an employee survey form that streamlined feedback collections for better and decision making.
I got to learn those things that I was unaware. That Odoo software, I was unaware about that kind of software, which is very useful for the web developer like us.
The support from my mentors and team was
I
incredible.
got to learn many new things from the expertise from their respective fields. I got the mentors like Shruti Gupta ma'am and Glory ma'am, who were very supportive towards me.
This is an amazing platform for hands-on learning and real-world applications.
I highly recommend to all the people who want to join the Abhyas and work with Abhyas.
Future interns, I would say, be curious, take initiative, and make most of this experience. It's a great place to go.
Thank you.
Thank you, Abhyas.